How to fix high spikes and lag spikes, hyping and lag spikes in League of Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this video I'm going to show you how you can fix hyping and lag spikes in League of Legends. So first of all, you can optimize your internet connection. Switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection can significantly reduce latency and packet loss. And you can restart your router and clear its cache and refresh its connection, and after that ensure your router is in a central location away from obstructions and interface, and you can contact your ISP to check for your any network congestion or outages in your area. You can close background apps, close any unnecessary programs, and after that you can optimize game settings and PC performance. In game settings you can lower graphics settings in League of Legends to reduce the load on your computer. You can ensure your network and graphics card drivers are up to date. You can consider cleaning up your system registry and removing potentially unwanted programs. You can check for overheating and make sure your computer's hardware, CPU, GPU, RAM meets the game's requirement. You can also use a VPN, change the DNS server. You can do a network reset. You can also do troubleshooting, use the Windows network troubleshooter or to identify any fix common network problems. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.